I hear a lot of people snore at night. Is there anything they could do in a dental office to treat that?
Sometimes as you sleep, you stop breathing, and that can cause great trouble. So some people do get prescribed machine, I guess, put on their nasal hood and things like that. They sleep throughout the nights with oxygen delivered to them. Those devices can sometimes gets to be bulky and uncomfortable. So what we do is we take impression of patients and then custom make appliances, open up their airway, adjust their tongue position so they can sleep a lot more comfortably. It's almost like a night guard, but a little bit larger than the night guard. Helps you open up the airway, and then you can sleep throughout the night and you can have so well rested. When they wake up in the morning, they feel a lot more refreshed. They feel like they're well rested, versus constantly deal with like sleepless nights, because these people do wake up multiple times. I'm talking about many times throughout the nights. So devices that help patients with snoring habits actually helps them improve their quality of life as well. Most importantly, their spouse love them.